TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in St. Petersburg, Florida. 2 p.m. Eastern time on Monday. 2 hours left to go in the trading day, and we got a positive market, but we're off of the highs. S&P up 18 points, trading at 28.93. We have the Dow right now up 120 points, trading at 26,103. Nasdaq up 106 points, trading 78.48. All those indices, though, as I mentioned, off the highs over the last couple hours. We'll pull up the chart in a moment. We have the dollar index up 230 ticks at 96,720. Notes and bonds, lower price, higher yield. The 10-year, negative 12 ticks, 126.26. The 30-year off a full point exactly at 153.17. And we have gold pulling back about $15 at 13.31. We'll start it off. Let's jump over to the futures markets. We'll start it off with the Dow. So there's your acceleration higher for most of the morning session. We peak out basically right at noon Eastern time across the board. We'll jump through the major indices. We peak out in the Dow at 26,220. We're now about 120 points off of that level. And if you go back, we are now back to where we were at about 7 a.m. in the morning. And you can see things accelerating literally as we speak. NASDAQ 100, similar story. Not sure what's coming out at 2 p.m. Eastern time, but all the markets. We just had the NASDAQ 100 drop about 14 points. We're now trading at 75.20. You were up there at 75.77 at noon. So that is a solid 57 NASDAQ 100 points in the last 2 hours. S&Ps reached a high of 29.05. We're now 14 points. We're a solid 0.5% off the highs. Gold contract, quite a pullback. This is going back to last night at about 10:30. Gold was trading at 13.41. On 3 different occasions, we made it down to about 13.29. Most recently, just at about 1:25 p.m. Eastern time. And as the markets are pulling back, you have gold trading at 13.32, getting a pop. Crude oil, though, pulling back 53.31. And we have the euro-US dollar 113.83. In terms of what else you have happening in the market, jumping over to the currencies, there's your dollar index in the top left, a little bit of volatility. And as we've just gotten that acceleration, you've seen the dollar spike a bit lower. And in terms of the VIX, as this market has been jumping around, pulling up that chart, before we get away from it, Beyond Meat had reached 186. We got a caller in the morning. They were thinking about maybe going short with some super out of the money puts, and maybe if they did, quite a pullback. Still up 18% today. Beyond Meat. Stay tuned. Dave White coming up right now at the Power Trading Hour. Of course, Tom O'Brien live from 3 till 5. Stay tuned, folks. Have a great Monday.